So here we have the new Nikkor Z 50 1.8S line of lens. This has come out today. We haven't seen one of these yet, not officially. Inside the box we've got the instruction manual in multiple different languages, the little lens pouch for it, and then the exciting part is the all-important lens hood. And inside we have the lens. Now, Nikon have decided to produce two prime lenses to start off with, along with the kit lens there, the 24-70. This is the ideal lens for portraiture, for general purpose. It's quite big for a 1.8 lens, but it means it lets a lot of light in. There we've got the Z mount, which is the new mount that they've created for this particular type of camera. It's a 62mm front filter thread, so it's not that dissimilar to some of the other primes, 62mm. There it is. And when we pop it on a camera, having tried a demonstration one, I can say that it produces some lovely bokeh. Okay. So I'm just going to pop the lens hood on so that you can see what it looks like with the lens hood. Clicks into place there. And there you have it. The new 50mm 1.8S.